Hello, all you yarnaholics out there, Mark here, and in this episode is mini bobbles. There's the one there, very small, very little. Now this stitch is going to get done on a tutorial, but today we're just going to be looking at the mini bobbles. So let's get crafting, shall we? And right here I have some yarn already on the needles. I've already worked one row just so we can start working these mini bobbles. So first of all, let's just knit a couple of stitches so we're away from the edge. Moving a bit closer. And now what we need to do is we're going to knit, purl, all into the next stitch. So we knit, bring the yarn to the front, purl, take the yarn to the back, knit, bring the yarn back to the front again, and purl. So that is a knit, purl, all into one stitch. So now we've turned one stitch into 4. And to make a mini bobble is so easy. Now you just take them straight back off. You don't need to knit them. You don't need to turn and knit and then turn and purl or whatever. You just pick them all up and take them straight back off. Show you that again. Just bring that through because these little bobbles can disappear. You do have to make sure your stitches are quite tight. So we'll do that again. 2, 4, 6, middle stitch there. So now we're going to do it again. We're going to knit, purl, oops, lost it there, knit, and purl. Yeah, I've lost it there. There we go. Oh, I haven't brought the yarn forward. There you go. That's what's wrong with it. Purl. So again, we've turned one stitch into 4, and we don't do anything else with them. We just lift them up and take them off as though we were casting off at the end of your piece, on the end of a knitted piece. There you go. So to show you that once more time, knit a couple of stitches, and we're going to knit and purl and knit and purl. So yeah, I didn't forget to bring the yarn forward that time. So again, we have 4 stitches, and then we just take the second off the first, the third over the first, and then the fourth over the first. And then we just finish that row there. And there we go, we've got these tiny little bobbles looking at us. So I'll just purl the row so you can see how they look. And of course when you get to the wrong side of the bobble, just pull that yarn a little bit, tug it up a bit. That will help to tighten them up and keep them at the front. That one was tight to work in to begin with, wasn't it? There we go. And then tug that yarn again. Just giving it a tug there just to tighten it up. And there we are. See, that one's already still disappearing. But they do tend to keep themselves at the front. And there you go. That's just a row of little bobbles, just like this. Put your stitches on and take them straight back off again. And there you go. And that is how to make a mini bobble. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, until next time, here Mark Makes Stitches. Bye.